Okay, so you probably found this video because your Equinox, Chevy Equinox, this one's an '07, decides that the heat just don't work all the time. You got to be on the highway, tromping on the pedal, or one of the above. So, needless to say, you probably have error in your cooling system, and it's not your fault. It just gets trapped in certain lines. And on this Equinox, there's a place right here by the water pump on the passenger side. You'll see it here in another shot I have. But you put in a special bleeder. You can put a hose onto that and run it into a like a clear bottle, a jug, whatever you want. And then you're not wasting it. It's not running on the floor. Does a little bit, but most of it gets caught up in the bottle. So we'll show you that, how to bleed it, and if everything else is good on your vehicle, you shouldn't have an issue. I just replaced the heater core. You can see a video on that, and yeah, we'll get right to it.